Today we're taking a look at TallyMoney and explaining what it is, how it works, its main features, and whether it's worth using. Before we begin, this video is for informational and educational purposes only. It is not financial advice, so always do your own research before making any financial decisions. So what is TallyMoney? Unlike a traditional bank account, TallyMoney stores your balance in physical gold instead of regular currencies like pounds or euros. When you deposit money, it is automatically converted into gold at the current market price. Your balance is then shown in grams of gold rather than cash. One of the biggest advantages is that gold has historically been better at protecting value against inflation and currency devaluation. You also receive a MasterCard debit card, allowing you to spend your balance just like a normal bank card. Whenever you make a purchase, the required amount of gold is automatically converted back into your local currency. The TallyMoney app also lets you check your gold balance, send money to other Tally users, and monitor how your savings are performing. However, there are some downsides. The service charges an annual account fee and includes a margin on gold exchanges. Also, because your money is backed by gold instead of being held as cash in a traditional bank, it is not protected by the UK's FSCS deposit protection scheme. Overall, TallyMoney could be a good option if you want to keep part of your savings in gold as a way to diversify and help protect against inflation. However, based on this review, it may be better used alongside a traditional bank account rather than replacing one completely. That's my review of TallyMoney. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.